Eva, and today I'm going to be making pastel cupcakes. I'm very excited for this because if you look on my channel, I have mostly been doing tray bakes and like chocolate cupcakes at the moment, and I haven't really done anything very colourful. So this is my first time in a while other than the rainbow cupcakes. Go check that out as well after this video. If you want a shout out in this video, or sorry, not this video, next video, then go to the end of the video or watch the whole video through and find out how you can get a shout out. Hi guys, it's Eva. So Life is Trinity got this shout out today. So well done, Life is Trinity, and thank you so much for commenting. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. So yes, let's carry on with this video. Also, go follow my Instagram, it's baking.with.eva. Also, I have a TikTok account, it is Baking with Eva. So let's get into the baking. The ingredients you'll need are 1 batch of vanilla cupcakes. These are the batch last week's video. If you go check that out and then come back to this video, and then I'll show you how to make it. And then you will need 200 grams of butter, 400 grams of icing sugar, and some vanilla extract. Let's get into the baking. Okay, so the first thing you will need to do is grab your mixer and your butter. So I'll pull that into that. And you will need to whip this up on a nice high speed. So this has been whipping for a good amount of time now. I have grabbed my spatula right here and just take all the butter off the sides, just so you can get it into the middle. There we go. It should be a nice temperature now because it's been whipping. So there we go. And now we are going to add a bit of the icing sugar in. So if we add just a bit at a time. And then start on a minimum speed. Okay, so I'm just going to clear up this mess here. I've got the buttercream, it's all ready now. I've also got 3 bowls and I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, so I have my buttercream here and I have my bowls, and I'm just going to put a decent amount of buttercream in each bowl. I also have this recipe on my rainbow cupcakes, so if you want to check that out, go check that out. I'm going to grab 1, 2, 3. I've grabbed my 3 spoons. Okay, so I have everything ready all nicely here. I've got my 3 colours. These are all from Wilton, icing, and I've also got some cocktail sticks, a kitchen roll, and I've got my buttercream here. So I'm going to start off with my light pink, and I am just going to grab a cocktail stick and grab a good amount. And remember, we only want these colours very light. So yeah, I'll put that back on here because you don't want that like food colouring getting everywhere, because that is not very good, and you'll just whip it up. Okay, so I've just changed the position of the camera just because I think you can see a bit better, because for my Halloween cupcakes I've done it like this and I did think it looked better. So yeah, please say if you do like it better or what. So I've got my piping bag here, and the first one I'm going to do is a nice rosette. So I'll just start by squeezing that. It comes up and then rotating round and just let go at the end, just like that. So that's a nice rosette. So that's the first one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so I've got my next cupcake, and this one is going to be just a nice spiral. So just start in the middle like again, and then just gonna spiral around and carry on going up and up and let go at the top. So there we go. There's the spiral one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so I have decided that I'm just going to do those two for the next ones. So I'm just going to do exactly the same. Show you how to do the rosette again. You just go round, round, and off. Just like that. Now I'll show you the spiral one again. So you just start in the middle, squeeze round, and you just go up and squeeze off at the top, like that. Ta-da! So here are the finished products. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I mean, I decorated them with some Percy pigs and some sprinkles, as well as some like pretzel covered in chocolate, which is amazing, by the way. You need to try it if there are in the stores. Also, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to shout out in next week's video, just comment down the word, what word should we do? Sprinkles. Let's do sprinkles. So comment down the word sprinkles down below, and then you'll get a shout out in next week's video. Maybe I'll choose who. And don't forget to follow my Instagram, and my TikTok. So yes, hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.